Hey everyone, Del's here. Halloween is coming! Yay! It's my favorite holiday. I love scary stories, pumpkin carving, discount candy, dressing up, just the general time of year. Everything. So I decided I should do a little illustration with my characters from Wing Chun Chips. I was hoping to do this with traditional coloring, but unfortunately, I've been having a lot of technical issues with my video camera, with my new hand-me-down iMac that had to get a lot of finagling and new pieces of equipment. My printer doesn't like to print cardstock anymore, so I can't use my Copics, and it's been one heck of a week. So I'm happy that everything is finally up and running with my new computer and stuff, so I can at least do some digital art. So happy Halloween, peace! I wanted to draw my characters in the classic costumes, but I was actually kind of surprised how difficult it was to think them up. Like, I knew Della had to be a cat. Her eyes always remind me of a really excited cat. And Danny is big and bulky, so he had to be a big bulky guy. Frankenstein's monster was the obvious choice. Eric needed to be something generic, so a bedsheet ghost just felt kinda right. The others took a little more time and a little bit more thought. I forgot actually that witches are a popular costume, and for I don't know, for some reason I forgot that was a thing, but then I felt that would be perfect for Sija, and she'd be eating like an apple. Very iconic witch thing. I just think it's cute drawing her munching on snacks. Wasn't sure what Sifu could be because I always just kind of portray him as a disembodied arm. So I ended up making another bedsheet ghost, but with his arm sticking out. It's been kind of tricky getting him in panels and things when he's just an arm. So for Jason, I was gonna do a vampire at first, but then I remember pirates are a really popular choice of costume as well, and it felt cuter on him than it would on Raoul. So Jason's a pirate and Raoul's a vampire. Raoul just kind of looks classy with a cup of tea, a fancy cup of tea this time. So, vampires are fancy tea. It works. I think it's just fine. Now the color scheme is a little more desaturated than I was originally envisioning, but I still really like how it turned out. I kind of want to try this again sometime, this color palette, and give it a little more pop. But I really wanted to do something other than the very popular purple, orange, black color palette. It's nice, but it's been done a lot, and I wanted to do something a little more unique here. I'm hoping to do a lot more pieces like this with my characters, because it really gives me a chance to experiment and play with their relationships. I can explore their personalities and develop their character a little bit more, It's fun to see my babies grow, and I want them to be likable. I want you guys to watch them grow, So with that, happy Halloween to you all, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye bye!